at Cadet Avila. How do alcohol and drugs affect your health if you have HIV? HIV weakens the immune system, making it more susceptible to infection and certain cancers. Alcohol and drugs use can further compromise the immune system, leading to a more severe course of HIV infection. Ano po yun?
Cadet Abuel. How do alcohol and drugs affect your health if you have HIV? Reduce immune system function. Chronic use of alcohol and drugs can weaken the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off infections, including those caused by STDs, STIs. This may not only increase susceptible but also hinder recovery if an infection occurs.
I'm Cadet Paner.
Mental health impact. Alcohol and drugs can be exacerbate mental health issues like depression and anxiety, which are already common among people living with HIV. This makes it harder to adhere to treatment regimens. Hi, I'm Cadet Dantes. Liver damage. Alcohol and certain drugs, particularly recreational ones, can damage the liver since the liver processes HIV medication. Any damage to the liver can lead to serious complications, especially if the person is already a regimen of anti-retroviral.
Cadet Gubar. Increased risk of other infection. Alcohol and drug use can increase risky behaviors, such as sharing needles or engaging in unsafe sex, which can increase the likelihood of contracting other infections, including sexually transmitted infection.
This is all. Thank you.